This is our customer's factory. These machines are used to produce EPS particles. EPS raw materials enter the weighing platform of the machine through here. The machine then heats the raw material to expand it to the appropriate size according to the required weight. Look, the machine is heating and stirring the EPS raw materials. Heating will cause the EPS material to expand. Our machines use advanced electrical components to ensure stable production. This is a visual frame installed by the customer. This way you can directly see the scene in the maturation warehouse. If you have any questions about EPS equipment, feel free to contact me.